Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back with a haul. So I told myself for the new year that not that I would share less hauls, but that I would share more crafty projects. Instead, I didn't want my channel to turn into like just a whole video channel, which I don't think it has. But I definitely think that because my life is so busy, it looks like I'm just sharing a lot of hauls and not as much crafting. So I kind of want to put the focus back on crafting. Doesn't mean that I'm not going to be sharing hauls, because actually this month I have quite a bit to share with you guys because I did a bunch of destashes and I spent every single dime on craft stuff. So, well, that was the plan anyways. I mean, sell craft stuff to get newer craft stuff. Okay, so let me share with you what they had at Target. So this is a Target haul. So the first thing is, I always talk about altering stuff, but I really am, because I got this early, so I actually can alter it early. So this is, I think it costs $3, and it's a wood, or fake wood heart that can be altered, painted. Even though I like this rustic kind of look. Okay, I have pajamas in here. Sorry. You don't want to see that because that's right there. Okay. The other thing that I got, which is not that crafty, but I thought I could put this out just because this is I Love You, but I thought I might put a cute picture of my children in here, and that could be on display because I just like the XO. I think that was $3 as well. And they had some really cute decor items. So I did buy, these are going to get destroyed at my house because my kids are, oh, my daughter is tough on stuff. She slimes everything. But these are placemats. I thought those would be cute to put out. And then this is all the like super crafty items. And then a couple pairs of cute fuzzy socks that were $1, right? One for my daughter, one for me. I wear those to bed because my feet are colder in the house. They had these really cute felt shapes, lots and lots and lots of them. I just tried to buy the ones I think I could use. The thing about Valentine's and this sort of stuff is that it could be used year round. It's not as seasonal, I think, as like Christmas stuff. So I got those. I liked those. I think they were $1. I got these puffy stickers. They're like emoji stickers, sort of. I got these Valentine's Day stickers. I got these pink glitter stickers. Now the thing about these is I had the chipboard ones and I used them on my Christmas card project that I shared a couple of days ago. And I don't know if these are the same, but those chipboard stickers aren't really stickers because as soon as you take them off the thing, they don't stick. So you're going to have to use glue. And I'm going to assume that these are probably don't have very powerful stickiness. So if you don't want to be sad about stuff falling off your project, you might want to put extra adhesive on these before you stick them down. These cute glitter stickers, I like those. So I bought them. And then these felt shapes, these are XO, because I also thought that I could decorate at work with those because they're big enough they can be seen. I can decorate my circ desk or my little lobby cases that I have. They're, I don't want to blind anybody, but these are like a holographic heart, which I thought was really cool. And then holographic heart foam stickers. So they're like a red kind of foil and then like the silver holographic one. And then these are unicorn foam stickers. So you get these cute heart rainbows, and then you get like a holographic scalloped heart, and then you get various unicorns in there, which I thought was cute and fun. Okay. Pink doilies, which darn it, I think I bought a second one of those. Red heart doilies. Got a couple of these puffy hearts. They're like sequined puffy hearts. I have some serious random stuff. I got this, which I thought would have been really useful to have earlier in the season when I did my hot cocoa bar, but the hot cocoa bar is still going strong in my house, so that'd be fine. I could put it up still. This is like a scalloped trim. That's like a silver, kind of a, not foil. Well, it looks like a foil. So that one. I got a heart trim. It's white hearts. And then this is like a scallop, not scallop. This is a sequined trim. Reminds me of mermaids, like mermaid scales or whatever. And they had buttons in a tube. I like the size of these ones. I have some other buttons, but they're a little thicker. I used to put buttons on my projects all the time. I'm gonna have to go back to doing that because that was really cute look. So I got those buttons. I got these red rhinestones. So they also could work in a shaker. And then these are confetti, and this confetti has, it's black, but it has X's and O's, like hugs and kisses. So X's and O's in black. And then red heart ones. So I wish I had the time. I should make the time to make a little mix, right? Wouldn't that be fun? And I had decided, I hadn't seen really that many swaps for Valentine's, but I purposely didn't sign up. And then I was thinking about looking for a collab to do. But I guess I was too late to sign up for the ones I would want to do. And then the one that just came up was like vintage and shabby, which is kind of really not my style. So then I was thinking maybe it was for the best and I can just work on the projects I want to work on for myself and not worry about collabs, but we'll see. Anyway, that is my haul. Not a lot of stuff. That might be all I buy for Valentine's Day unless something really spectacular comes up, like the new crate paper. If that shows up at Tuesday morning, I'll get it, but I'm not going to buy. The only thing I might allow myself to buy is the Doodlebug, because Doodlebug has a Valentine's Day paper. But other than that, I'm really trying not to spend anything because I have so much stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to say that and then I'm going to do another haul. This is Cindy, Cricut Heart.